Hello, I'm Kimberly Gardner, Circuit Attorney for the City of St. Louis, and I'm running for re-election because there's much more work to be done. It's unrealistic to think our criminal justice system could be reformed in a matter of a few years when it's taken decades, if not centuries, to create. I want to build upon my efforts of the past 3 years to address the root causes of crime and to hold individuals accountable when they violate the laws of the state of Missouri. Now's not the time to revert back to the old one-size-fits-all, back to the future prosecution approaches that have made our city less safe for decades. Some of what I've accomplished in 3 years have been to focus our resources on going after those crime drivers and working with our law enforcement partners, design and deploy the largest number of prosecutor-led diversion programs, created the first drug diversion education class led by addiction physicians, the first prosecutor in the state of Missouri to refuse to prosecute simple, low-level marijuana possession cases of 100 grams or less, closed over 30,000 cases that had taken under advisement left over from the previous administration that had no likelihood of being prosecuted and hampered individuals' employment opportunities, dismissed over 900 stale warrants, instituted new officer-involved shooting protocol, created and implemented the region's first formal exclusion/Brady list, led complex investigations against police and public corruption, created a conviction integrity unit, which led to the Lamar Johnson case, created a diversion program with the St. Louis public schools that interrupt the school-to-prison pipeline, implemented implicit bias training in our office, advocated and gave the office the first significant raise across the board in over 30 years, improved witness and victim protection services inside our office, led the first state trauma-informed counseling to victims of domestic or sexual assault inside our office, created the first police liaison, and according to our data, reconciled with police and court data that we have a 95% conviction rate. Again, I'm Kim Gardner, asking for your vote for Circuit Attorney of the City of St. Louis to continue my work, to do a good job, and be the minister of justice that's needed to make sure our city is safe.